Why didn't you take her out of there?
I don't know, because I didn't want to mess up my dress. Let's not talk about it right now.
No, we will.
Ophelia had to die. She was suffering.
So it wasn't an accident. She killed herself.
So, no, she was mad. She was unconscious of her own disgrace.
So you are lying on this part.
My God.
Yes, so it wasn't an accident. She killed herself.
No, she was mad. She was unconscious of her own disgrace.
So you are lying on this part.
My God.
She drowned with letter.
Só a partir do she drowned and let her die.
She drowned. She drowned and you let her die.
Calma.
She drowned, you let her die. You're lying about.
Faz mal.
Lucas.
Let's do it. Yeah, because I forget that I have to. But I also want that you think about her suicide when you say that it was an accidental death.
But that's a completely different way to tell the story.
Yes, but maybe it's better motive. It's a better motive to you. It's better than your motive. I don't want to mess my dress. Oh, sorry.
Yes, but I'm not doing that. Today's the last performance and...
Have a Christian funeral.
So that you want me to do today? You want me to lie while doing the performance?
Yeah, that's what I want you to do. But I want you also to think about her suicide when you say that it was.
But that's a completely different way to do the scene.
Yes, but maybe.
Você tá indo muito devagar.
Yes. Because this part right here. But I also want you to think.
No.
And when he calls for a drink, I'll have prepared him a chalice for the occasion, wherein once if he by chance escapes the strike of the venom of your spade, he will fulfill our plan. What is it, Queen?
One wall doth tread upon another's heel, so fast they follow. Your sister's drowned, Laertes.
Drowned? Where?
There's a willow that leans over the brook, dangling its white leaves over the glassy water. 3, 2, 1. So, I'm calling later, okay? Bye. Hey, Claire. It's like having a pet.
I've been thinking about that Willow's tree speech.
Oh.
You're writing Ophelia's death?
Please, just don't...
She's a crazy old lady, she enters in the river, drowns, slowly singing fragments of folk songs. Why did you take her there?
I don't know, because I didn't want to mess up my dress. So let's not talk about it, okay?
No, we will.
Ophelia had to die. Muito papel.
É seu,
Ophelia
não
had to
eu
die.
tenho aula.
She was suffering.
Deixa eu fazer Ophelia had to die.
Ophelia...
Why did you take her there?
Aqui, ó.
Ok, vamos lá. Eu vou perder o
Que a gente usa de fazer melisma quando tá cantando.
Vai.
Sorry, I just got the feeling.
Vai!
Eu tô esperando o Lucas ficar quieto.